Okay, Gabriel, if I ask you one thing, what do you like the most, to live regarding to Oslo, because it's a city, like more people and stuff like that, or in Grimstad or somewhere else?
Yeah.
As a Norwegian.
I'm brought up in Karmøy, and there is a lot of nature there, and there is also, it's not so many people as in Oslo. So I think this is a better place to live and be able to breathe. But I think also Oslo is great, but I don't think I would live here. And also it's a lot of much more expensive.
Okay.
So Grimstad is very nice, and but I love Karmøy where I'm brought up. That's
okay.
I think that's a good place.
So it's a Norwegian view that majority of the people where to live, or every single person, have different perspectives.
Oh,
Franky?
yeah.
The thing is, what's your favorite place beside Norway?
Wow, that's a good question.
It can be in Europe, Africa, wherever you want.
Yeah. So in the places I've been, that's like different countries in Europe. I've been to the States. I've been to India. And every places have their own
Vibe.
beauty and vibe. So of course
Which is your favorite?
The most interesting experience was to be in India. So because
That was great.
yeah, it's so different.
What
from I'm
makes
used to.
India special?
One of the things is that, for instance, in Norway, it's a rich country.
Okay.
Most people have what they need. But the strange thing is that many Norwegians don't smile. They're not happy.
Really?
But what I saw in India,
Yeah.
it was a lot of poor people.
But it's still they're happy.
Smiled. They had these great smiles.
That's nice. Good
So
observation.
what's the secret? So
Okay.
and what it's taught me, or what I was thinking, is that that's proof that money is not the main source of happiness.
Okay.
It's something else.
Okay, my second question. You love to live, as a Norwegian, you love to live in Oslo because it's a big city,
Yes.
lots of buildings,
Yes.
like a city type of thing, or a place like Grimstad, or any of the place that you think about, like which is not that much of congested, not that much of people. Which one that you prefer as a Norwegian?
I prefer to be in an urban city. Where
Okay.
all the noise and everything happens at once.
So you love people.
Yes.
You love people
I love
around
to
you.
spend time with people.
Except from this guy. This guy only loves to be alone. Okay.
But it's good to go on the side to.
But you actually love the, like congestion and a lot of people.
Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you.
So now we're
Ready?
going to find a car. We lost our car, so now we're looking for it. And we have this guide here to find the car for us. And also, we need to check if I get the parking ticket. So because I forgot to turn the wheel.
Okay.
To have pay the parking.
Okay.
Anatolia. It's the in which country? Which language?
Arabic.
Arabic. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay.
Salamdi. I've just forgotten everything. I rolled around. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. أنا من نرويج. أنا في أردن. أنا بتحكي العربية شوي شوي.
Okay. Translate. Because
I've been in. I tried to say I've been in Jordan in 2.5 months.
Okay.
And I come from Norway. And I speak a little bit of Arabic.
Okay. Say something in Turkish.
Yeah, say something in Turkish. Marhaba.
Çok güzeldim. Çok güzeldim.
Kahwa.
No, I like it very much. It means çok güzeldim. Afiyet olsun.